Hello everybody, Michael and Timber from Attention to Detail in Tempe, shooting a bunch of videos today, trying to catch up. Just polished out a quarter section of this hood that had 3 different ceramic coatings on it, but it's just been roached out on the side of my house in the Arizona summer. It's got some acid rain spots on there. Tried clay barring it, that didn't work. Did some different soaps on there to show on foam cannons, but ultimately I had to polish it back out. It's still super slick, super smooth. Video on that's coming, but I wanted to top it off with Chemical Guys Hybrid Vo7 Optical Select High Gloss Spray Sealant Optical Brighteners. So let's check this new one out here. Trigger's a little messed up there, but that's all right. So I got a nice soft microfiber. So a lot of companies are going to spray on sealants, and they are fantastic. Why? They're quick, they're easy. Obviously I'm working in the shade here, and it is 10 o'clock in the morning, and it's probably only about 75 degrees or 70 degrees, so it's perfect weather. So I'm not going to get that flashing. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Now it's drying. Nice and smooth. Very smooth to the touch. Great little spray on. I am gonna pause for a second, and then I'm gonna try it on my rims here, even though I cleaned them a couple days ago, but I'm sure they're a little dusty. And then let's see what kind of shine we get on the rims. Be right back. All right, so as you can see, rims are still kind of dirty. I need a new trigger on that, but it smells really good. I think it's got some kind of an orange smell to it. That's what's fun about Chemical Guys. They always put some fun scents in all their products. Makes it fun and easy to detail your car. And like I said earlier, a lot of companies are going to the spray-on sealants, because why? It's quick and it's easy, and that worked really well on the rim too. So if you're looking for a nice shiny, this is brand new too. Just had this replaced. Tatiana, my car, needed some TLC. Nice shine on there. So you want a nice high gloss spray sealant that smells wonderful, go check out Chemical Guys Hybrid Vo7 Optical Select High Gloss Spray Sealant Optical Brighteners, Synthetic Gloss Enhancers. So remember, when it says synthetic, that's what you want. Yes, there are great carnauba wax out there, but it's good for the winter, not for the summer. When it's synthetic, it's going to last longer in the heat, and I am in Arizona. So check out Chemical Guys. They got 3 locations in Arizona, or you can buy it online. I go to the one over on Baseline and Price in Mesa, Arizona. Shout out to all the guys out there, and Mike and all the other guys out there and all the managers there. They just do a fantastic job, and they're well versed in their products. Great products for the novice detailer that wants to keep your car shiny. They got a product for everything over there. Gets addictive. So check them out. Have a great day, everybody. Any questions, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. And if I don't have a video for it, I'll make one for you. Take care.